Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Premiere is using GPU acceleration and that your clips are imported. Place the main footage on V2 and the Luma Matte, Grayscale or Alpha on V3 above it. Once done, select the top matte clip and set its blend mode later. For now, make sure playback is scrubbed to the keyframe region so you can see immediate changes. This initial placement matters because Premiere reads the track above as the matte source, so correct layering saves time. Next, apply the track matte key effect to your footage on V2. In the effect controls, set the matte to V3 and switch the composite using option to Luma for grayscale mattes or Alpha for alpha channels. Once selected, tweak the invert checkbox if the transparency is reversed. This flips which values become visible. Make sure to scrub and use the program monitor to watch how highlights reveal and shadows mask. Adjusting this early avoids complex corrections later. Finally, refine the matte by adjusting contrast. Apply lumetri or a curves effect to the matte clip to deepen blacks and lift whites, which tightens the mask. Once done, add a slight Gaussian blur to soften hard edges and use matte tools like choke or feather for clean composites. If you see edge flicker or jitter, make sure frame rates and resolution match exactly and render the timeline. If transparency still looks wrong, invert the matte or re-export the matte as a full-resolution grayscale.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.